Wants versus needs. Hello and welcome back. This is our resolution mastery. How to achieve our goals and our desires without giving up. And in the last videos, I shared with us the importance of understanding core values and how do they relate with us as a person. In this video, I want to share two different aspects of going further with our resolutions. And this is wants versus needs. We live in a society where there is a lot of pressure, social pressure, media pressure, peers pressure, and everything that comes outside and then putting pressure on us just to take some decision, to focus on the different things and just to put us in a specific area and ways we have to go. And very often when we are talking about resolution, this can be a really tricky one. I can see a situation where a mom is talking to her child, go to uni, be an IT specialist. All of your classmates are going this way. This is the future. Go and be IT. For example, I'm a former professional dancer. There's not much to do with IT. But what I mean is that this example shows that very often we are pushed to take decisions and actions in our life which are not quite related with our personal course and what is really valuable for us. And we very often go in directions because of money, because of my neighbor, they've done it, so I have to do it. But all this wants very often, they're short term. They're not sustaining in time. They're not long term sustainable. And the second thing is they don't bring much joy and fulfillment and satisfaction in our life. That's why we have to be careful about really what we want. And we have to check if they really reflect with our core values. In the other hand, we have needs, and the needs, they're essential for our personal growth and happiness and the decisions we take because what we need. For example, if health is something really important for me, this is where I'm going, this is what I do. And very often I need this one. I need to be healthy. I need to be healthy. And even if I don't understand it sometimes, I have to be careful about this and think about this situation. I mean, if a person, and this can be, to be honest, any person, can be young or old, it doesn't matter. If a person that have some healthy issues and their day-to-day life is not quite healthy, they don't have a healthy habits, this can bring them down in their health. And this is some point when you go to the doctor and the doctor says, look, if you don't change, in 6 months you'll be in the hospital, or something wrong, something even worse can happen to you. And it's like serious light that is shining on you like a red light, and you have to do, this is what you need to do. And these needs are really vital and important to us. If health is important to you, you better work on this. This is what you need. This is the area where you have to focus on and to emphasize on. And this is just one example of what is really called for us. For example, if the family is really important for me, the decisions I'm taking, they will be around this family because this is, I need to be around them. They need me, I need them. It's about a core value. And what is really precious with the core values when we work about our needs and what we really want around our needs, what is really relying with our core values, there are two things. First of all, we have satisfaction. We have fulfillment. This is where happiness is happening. And the other thing is they're long term. They're sustainable in the long term, which is really beautiful about it. However, what we can do when we are talking about needs versus wants, when we talk about it, it's really good to have the balance between these two. So what I would suggest for all of us is just have your plan about what you really need, which is long-term satisfaction, and just check what you really want. And you can just play around it and just to see, grab some things which you really want and stay in the core of what you really need as a person, and go reflect on that, go, you can change it, you can play with that, but stick with what is really important for you, with the core values, because will determine your lasting future and your happiness in the long term. So thank you for your time. We will continue our journey in the next video. Thank you so much. See you soon.